Clownfish, famous for their bright orange, white, and black stripes, form a symbiotic bond with venomous sea anemones. They are protected by a mucus coating, happily dancing among the stinging tentacles. Found primarily in the warmer waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, they are perhaps best known as Nemo. Interestingly, they are all born male and can change sex to female if the dominant female of the group dies. They lay eggs on a hard surface near the anemone's base, which the male carefully tends to until they hatch. There are over 30 recognized species, varying in color, but all sharing the characteristic of a life intertwined with their stinging host. The elegant seahorse is a bony fish, instantly recognizable by its upright posture and head resembling a tiny horse. They are famously unique in the animal kingdom because the male carries and gives birth to the young from a specialized abdominal pouch. Found globally in shallow tropical and temperate waters, they use a prehensile tail to anchor themselves to coral or seagrass. The Yeti crab, discovered in the deep South Pacific, is instantly recognizable by its arms covered in long, silky, blonde setae that resemble fur. This crustacean is nearly blind and white due to the complete lack of sunlight. It actually farms bacteria on its hairy claws, waving them rhythmically through the vent plumes to cultivate its primary food source through chemosynthesis. This unique adaptation allows the crab to thrive in one of the most chemically extreme environments on Earth. The bioluminescent octopus is a rare deep-sea species and one of the few octopuses known to produce its own light. It drifts thousands of feet down in the Atlantic Ocean, using large fins for propulsion, giving it a ghost-like, gelatinous appearance. Its signature feature is a row of about 40 modified suckers along each arm that flash and twinkle with a blue-green light. The mandarin fish is arguably one of the most vividly colored creatures on the planet, with psychedelic swirling patterns of electric blue, orange, and green. This small dragonette, native to the western Pacific's coral reefs, gets its stunning blue from unique cellular pigments, not structural light reflection like other fish. Instead of scales, it is covered in a thick, foul-tasting toxic mucus that deters predators, allowing its flashy colors to act as a warning. They are slow, bottom-dwelling fish and famously perform an intricate, graceful mating dance above the coral at sunset. The moray eel is a snake-like, scaleless fish of the coral reefs, instantly recognizable by its gaping, toothy mouth, which it opens not to threaten, but to pump water for breathing. Its fearsome bite is delivered by an incredibly specialized weapon, a second set of pharyngeal jaws in its throat that shoot forward to drag captured prey down. The manta ray is the ocean's largest ray, gliding gracefully through tropical waters with a majestic wing-like span that can reach over 20 feet. Unlike stingrays, they possess no venomous barb and are harmless, often called gentle giants. They are filter feeders, using specialized cephalic fins to funnel massive amounts of microscopic zooplankton into their wide, forward-facing mouth. The jellyfish is one of the ocean's simplest and oldest multi-organ animals, existing for over 500 million years without bones, a brain, or a heart. Its body is composed of over 95% water, resembling a bell or umbrella that drifts through the water. They move by rhythmically pulsing their bells and possess tentacles lined with thousands of stinging cells called nematocysts. These cells are used to paralyze and capture small fish and plankton, their primary food source. The Dumble octopus is found over 13,000 feet down. It's named for the two large air-like fins on its mantle, which it flaps to propel itself through the abyss. The sea turtle is an ancient mariner, with species found in all the world's oceans except the polar regions, undertaking vast migrations, often covering thousands of miles. These reptiles possess powerful, paddle-like flippers which make them swift and graceful swimmers, though they are slow and vulnerable when they venture onto land. The lagoon triggerfish is a small, famously beautiful reef fish, also known as the Picasso triggerfish for its artistic, block-like pattern of black, blue, and yellow lines. Though small, they are fiercely territorial, especially the females, who vigorously guard their nests of eggs in the sandy patches of Indo-Pacific coral reefs. The flower hat jelly is a stunning but rare jellyfish found mainly off the coast of southern Japan, Brazil, and Argentina. These numerous tentacles are tipped with bright, glowing colors, iridescent yellows, greens, and blues, making it a visually arresting sight. The dolphin is a highly intelligent, streamlined marine mammal, instantly recognizable by its characteristic curved mouth that gives the appearance of a permanent smile. They are members of the toothed whale family and are celebrated for their playful, curious nature and complex social structures within tight-knit pods. Dolphins utilize sophisticated echolocation, emitting high-pitched clicks that bounce off objects, allowing them to precisely map their underwater environment and locate prey. The starfish is an echinodon, instantly recognizable by its characteristic 5-point radial symmetry, though some species can have many more arms. They lack a brain and blood, instead moving via a unique water vascular system that powers hundreds of tiny tube feet on their underside. Starfish are famous for their remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs, and in some cases, an entire new body can grow from a single detached arm. The royal grama is a small, striking reef fish renowned for its brilliant bicolored body split perfectly between a vibrant purple head and a sunny yellow tail. This bold chromatic contrast makes it a favorite in the aquarium trade and instantly recognizable on Caribbean reefs. They act as cleaner fish, sometimes picking parasites off larger fish, a behavior that allows them to interact peacefully with many other species. The blue dragon sea slug is a mesmerizing yet lethal species of nudibranch that is found floating upside down on the ocean's surface using a gas-filled sac. This tiny, beautiful slug is famous for its electric blue and silver coloration, which provides excellent countershading camouflage against the ocean backdrop. The Lilliput longarm octopus is a small cephalopod named for its disproportionately long arms, which can be 4 to 7 times the length of its main body. It is a master of camouflage on the sandy sea floor, easily blending in with its surroundings, using a variable yellowish-brown and mottled skin texture. The scorpionfish is a master of camouflage, blending perfectly into its environment with cryptic colors and bumpy skin. Its most dangerous feature is the presence of venomous spines along its fins, which deliver a painful, sometimes fatal, neurotoxin. This makes the scorpionfish one of the most venomous fish in the ocean. They are ambush predators, relying on their excellent camouflage to wait motionless until unsuspecting fish or crustaceans wander close enough to be rapidly swallowed whole.